Book of Psalms, chapter 69. Save me, O Elohim, for waters have come up to my neck. I have sunk in deep mud, and there is no place to stand. I have come into deep waters, and the floods overflow me. I am worn out from my crying. My throat is dry. My eyes grow dim as I wait for my Elohim. Those who hate me without a cause are more than the hairs of my head. They are mighty who would destroy me. My lying enemies, what I did not steal, I restored. O Elohim, you yourself know my foolishness, and my guilt has not been hidden from you. Let not those who wait for you, O Master YAHUAH of hosts, be ashamed because of me. Let not those who seek you be humbled because of me, O Elohim of Yahshar'el. Because I have borne reproach for your sake, shame has covered my face. I have become a stranger to my brothers and a foreigner to my mother's children, because ardor for your house has eaten me up, and the reproaches of those who reproach you have fallen on me. And I wept in my being with fasting, and it became my reproach. And when I put on sackcloth, I became a proverb to them. They who sit in the gate talk about me, and I am the song of the drunkards. But as for me, my prayer is to you, O YAHUAH, at an acceptable time, O Elohim. In the greatness of your loving commitment, answer me in the truth of your deliverance. Rescue me out of the mire, and let me not sink. Let me be rescued from those who hate me, and out of the deep waters. Let not a flood of waters overflow me, nor let the deep swallow me up, nor let the pit shut its mouth on me. Answer me, O YAHUAH, for your loving commitment is good. According to the greatness of your compassion, turn to me. And do not hide your face from your servant, for I am in distress. Answer me speedily. Draw near to my being, redeem it. Ransom me because of my enemies. You yourself know my reproach, and my shame and my confusion. My adversaries are all before you. Reproach has broken my heart, and I am sick. I looked for sympathy, but there was none, and for comforters, but I found none. And they gave me gall for my food, and for my thirst gave me vinegar to drink. Let their table before them become a snare and a trap to those at ease. Let their eyes be darkened so as not to see, and make their loins shake continually. Pour out your wrath upon them, and let your burning displeasure overtake them. Let their encampments be deserted, let no one dwell in their tents. For they persecute him whom you have stricken, and talk about the pain of those you have wounded. Add crookedness to their crookedness, and let them not enter into your righteousness. Let them be blotted out of the book of the living, and not be written with the righteous. But I am poor and in pain. Let your deliverance, O Elohim, set me up on high. I praise the name of Elohim with a song, and I make him great with thanksgiving. And this pleases YAHUAH more than an ox, a bull with horns and hoofs. The humble shall see, they rejoice. You who seek Elohim, and your hearts live. For YAHUAH hears the poor, and he shall not despise his captives. Let the heavens and earth praise him, the seas and all that moves in them. For Elohim shall save Sion and build the cities of Yehudah, and they shall dwell there and possess it, and the seed of his servants inherit it, and those who love his name dwell in it.